How to change long press speed on your iPhone. Start on the home screen and tap on Settings to open it. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. On the Accessibility page, tap on Touch to open Touch options. Next, tap on Haptic Touch to access the long press speed controls. Here, you can see touch duration options and a preview area for testing. As you can see, default is selected. To test it, touch and hold the image in Touch Duration Test to check the response time. If the hold feels too slow, tap on Fast and test again by touching and holding the image. Compare both and leave the option set to the one you prefer for your daily use. You can also select and test slow if you want. Your selection is saved automatically and will take effect across system menus and supported apps. Following these steps, you can easily change long press speed on your iPhone.